Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. You're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today from Pine Valley Country Club at Bold Training, but still want to get this market report out for May 8th, 2024. Ups and downs were about the same this week, and feel free anytime you want some other information or need something, let me know and I'll add it to this video. But this information is important just to know where the market's at, and I know my video editing guy is going to go in and add some cool stuff in here too, because I think viewers like that a little better, but I'm just rattling off these numbers. We saw ups and downs about equal this week. Active available listings were at 353, which it's held steady for about 12 weeks now, about that number. Down 5 week over week, or 1% down, but up 19% year over year. New listings came in down 16% week over week, down 11% year over year. Solds came in up 12% week over week, up 16% year over year. Pendings came in up 15% week over week, down just less than 1% year over year. It was only one down from the previous year. Median sale price came in at $237,437, up 2%, showing 2% appreciation year over year from last year's median sale price. Days on the market slowed up a little bit, 29 average, 9 median, versus last year we were at 18 and 4 at this time. Homes sold over the last 12 months came in at 4,312 versus last year at this time 4,793, so showing down 11.1% from last year. And we're seeing available buyers per listing about 6.1 based on that 353 active available homes, and minimum balanced inventory would be 2,156 homes because we sold 4,312, which would be a 12-month supply. So we're still sitting at about a month's inventory, so still an extreme seller's market, but if you know how to work it, there's always a deal to be found. Let me know how I can help. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.